Hey, what's up, y'all? DC Reptile Man again. Today, I got an informational video for y'all today. It's about this little guy right here. Perfectly calm, friendly, corn snake. No particular morphs, just a normal corn snake. He's in the family Colubridae, also known as the red rat snake. So he is related to other North American rat snakes, like the North American eastern rat snake. So I wanted to make this video because I do a lot of mountain biking, hiking, herping, which is looking for snakes, lizards, amphibians, such as salamanders, snakes, stuff like that. Sometimes when you're in the woods, you hear noises that you can't directly pinpoint or you can't investigate a lot of times. Sometimes you hear rattling, and some people think they might be in rattlesnake territory, which most times they're not. Sometimes it's caused by little fellas, little guys like these. What happens? These little corn snakes or red rat snakes, they sit in a dry pile of leaves, just sitting there, blending in because you can't see them, with this pattern right here. And if something gets too close where they think they're about to be preyed upon, they'll rattle their tail along the dry leaves, and of course, in the dry leaves, it sounds like a rattle from a rattlesnake. If you don't even know any better, so that sound gives the snake enough time to scare that predator and allow them to get away and fight another day. So with this video, what I'm gonna do is I got a video of me feeding him and him just being excited. Sometimes his tail wags just like a dog or cat would when they're excited. So stay tuned to the video. So watching that video, you can see how people get misconstrued. Say, "Oh, I seen a rattlesnake," or "I heard a rattlesnake and ran away," or "I ran before it can chase me." Most likely, they're probably not telling the truth, or they're just confused. These guys just want to live like just anything else. You got to respect these reptiles, these snakes. Sometimes they might seem scary because people don't know about them, or so people fear what they don't understand. So, like always, if you like that video and want to see more, and more videos are coming, more informational videos, more herping videos, more videos of my personal reptiles are coming. If you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Try to get a little guy on the camera so you can see his face. There you go. Nice comment, brother. Until next time.